So Honor launched its Honor 70 series in May this year, and there was the Honor 70, Honor 70 Pro and Honor 70 Pro Plus. All these were premium looking phones with some specifications in common, like a similar back design, a curved screen, dual 50 megapixel cameras and more. Now 6 months after the launch of Honor 70 series, the company is now preparing to launch the Honor 80 series. It will be launched in the Chinese market first, and the launch date is 23rd of November. Along with the launch date, Honor has also given us the first look at the design. As you can see, the Honor 80 series is coming with quite a unique design on the back. That is due to two things. First is that pattern on the back panel, and second is the camera module. The back panel has this wave-like pattern, and while the camera module is somewhat similar to the Honor 70 series, the company went one step further and added that chrome finish around the camera module, which makes a number 8-like shape. On the front, there is a curved screen, and interestingly, there are two selfie cameras. Now this is interesting because there was no phone under the Honor 70 series that had a dual selfie camera setup. In fact, no phone under the Honor 60 series had dual selfie cameras. The last time we saw dual selfie cameras was when the Honor 50 series launched last year. The pill-shaped cutout is placed in the center, which is not where we usually expect a pill-shaped cutout to be. The front design is the same as the Xiaomi CV2, which launched in September. And well, that is pretty much all about the design. Now it is also worth mentioning that the phone in these pictures is definitely not the vanilla model. This is most likely the Honor 80 Pro or the Honor 80 Pro Plus. And in terms of the specifications, a source has revealed that the phone has Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, 66-watt fast charging, and a 50 megapixel primary selfie camera. There is also a 160 megapixel camera on the rear. Yes, I said 160 megapixels. So that is also quite interesting. So what do you think of the design of the Honor 80 series? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.